So we are almost back to the Texas Seaport Museum. We'll have you back to the dock in just a moment. As we make our final approach to the Texas Seaport Museum, we do have to ask everybody to find a quick seaports just for a few moments. Once we get all three of our lines tied up, you'll know when it's safe to stand up again because our engines will shut off. So once you hear that happen, you'll know it's good to go. Just wanted to say thank you again so much for riding with us this afternoon. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did have a good time, be sure to let your friends and family know that we're open and out here running. That does help us out quite a bit. Or if you're on Yelp, TripAdvisor, Google review, or anything like that, and you want to leave a nice comment for us, we really appreciate that as well. If you feel like Ryan did a good job not getting you wet, I guess, or checking out dolphins, or if you enjoyed my commentary and tour, and you'd like to leave a tip or gratuity for us, we appreciate that. Otherwise, if you're left with any unanswered questions or still need restaurant recommendations, we'll help you out with that once we get everybody off of the boat. Also on that same sort of note, there is a hand washing station once you depart the vessel. The gift shop is also still open, so if you want to head up the stairs after you get done with the tour, go into the gift shop. They have the restroom open if you want to wash your hands proper with, soap and water. Otherwise, though, folks, we appreciate you coming out and spending your hard-earned money with us out here on the Seagull 2. We hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your time on vacation here in Galveston.
Woo! Oh my goodness, I'm so nauseous and dizzy. The waves. Oh my goodness. That was awesome. Saw some dolphins. And we're here. Say bye, Marie. Okay, we're back. That was fun. I was dizzy as hell.
So standing uphill?
Not really. I was trying to hold my breath a little, so I don't want to. Clean your mess up off these people's boat.